beloved grandfather. I stand here today with a heart full of love and gratitude. There is so much I could say, but at the center of it all is this simple truth. We love you deeply. Lolo, Tatay, mahal na mahal ka namin at mahal na mahal kita. Thank you for all the sacrifices you made for our family. Thank you for the life you worked so hard to give Mama and to all of us, your grandchildren. You were a good grandfather, a good father, and a loving husband to Nanay. Everything you did was rooted in love, responsibility, and care, and we are who we are today because of you. Lolo, I will never forget the memories we shared. I will never forget the moments when you were the one who truly showed me what love felt like. When you took care of me, when you gave me a comfort, when you made sure I was never alone. You protect me, stood up for me, and believed in me, even when others did not. In those moments, I felt safe, I felt seen, and I felt love. Thank you, Tatay, for showing me what real love looked like. The kind of love that asks for nothing in return. The kind that gives freely and protects fiercely. With you, I experience happiness that I will carry with me for the rest of my life. You made the moments we shared beautiful, meaningful, and full of love. Though you are no longer with us, you will never truly be gone. You live in our hearts, in our memories, and in the love you gave so generously. That love will continue to guide us, comfort us, and remind us of who you were and what you stood for. We love you, Lolo. We thank you for everything, and we will never forget you.